Everyone, hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today is Tuesday the 30th in Orangeville, Ontario. It is absolutely beautiful. I don't know why I'm wearing sunglasses inside. That's kind of nice. Got my window open, let the sun shine through. As you can see on my bed, there are actually a few packages. And here's my little dog stealing my desk chair. What are you doing? Anyways, it's been a while since I posted. Been 3 weeks now. I'm trying to keep up with the videos and everything. And as I mentioned earlier, I got a few boxes. And I'm going to be a bit surprised for you. I'm going to do an unboxing video for you today. But I just want to say thank you for my mom for helping me out for school. I'm just getting ready for school, which is what are in those boxes, stuff for school. But yeah, I want to give my mom a huge shout out and thank you for supporting me, getting me ready for college, and just helping me out in general. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be able to do some of the things I do, like have a nice car. I know it doesn't look that great, but have a nice car and be able to do the things that I enjoy to do. But yeah, let's not get carried away, and I will start with the video. So anyways, first thing on the list is, as I'm sure you can read that, Danby refrigerator compacto, whatever. Anyways, it was a fridge that I got at Costco that my mom purchased for me for my room at college. But yeah, it was like $300 or something like that. She helped me out pick this up. I put it in the back of my car with my mom. Had to move my subwoofers around and everything to make some space. But so I already took it out of the box, as I'm sure you guys could tell. I'm not sure if you've seen that in the video. Hi Max, what are you doing? Anyways, yeah, it's out of the box, it works and everything, so I just thought to show you guys. Yeah, the plastic's kind of peeling. Let me go quickly turn on the lights. The camera's not that great. There we go. Alright, so anyways, fridge is nice, stainless steel, plastic still on it until I get to school. Got everything taped up and everything. So it's nice, got a nice little refrigerator for food, or freezer for food, and pizzas and whatever else for school. So that's going to be coming with me to college, which I can thank my mom for. Also got that toaster over in the corner that I'll be taking to school. I got my coffee maker upstairs in my room. And yeah, so now on to the boxes that are upstairs. So the reason why I got that refrigerator is to replace this little wine cooler, which I would have been taking to school, but since I'm actually going to stick food in it, I got that one. So I'm going to try to sell this one before I go off to school and everything, so it's not just sitting in my room. And my dog is still sitting on the chair. Look at this poor suck. So sad. I'm just sitting here and doing nothing. Got ticklish feet. Anyways, onto the packages. This one, as I'm sure you guys can see, says HP. It is actually a pretty nice laptop that I just picked up for school that's going to be sitting in my dorm room because I currently already have a computer here, my screen, and then TV and my PS4 down there. Anyways, so time to get to unboxing this quickly. Wow, this is not very packaged that great. A few pieces of styrofoam block, and then as you can see, I guess that's the charger and everything. But let's get to taking it out. I'm dropping the manuals and everything. This computer, so I'm pretty tech savvy. Overall, this is my HP computer. It's pretty new. Yeah, it's pretty nice quality. I was looking at it online and I could not find a cheaper price. This was already on sale for $250 off. So just to clarify, bugs. So just to clarify, the reason why I actually got the laptop is for when I'm on the go for editing, or also just for in-class uses, and also just for kind of relaxing where places I can't take my main computer to. This is not going to be for gaming or anything, but yeah, so just to clarify, my computer is specifically for on-the-go uses and all that stuff for school, and yeah. So you guys might be wondering why I'm actually outside in a cemetery. And for bugs. Nice. So yeah, for those of you that don't know, my father actually passed away 5 years ago, technically today, the 31st of 2014. So that's why I am just sitting at his grave, modernizing my computer by adding some apps and stuff, and adding my iTunes, getting this ready for school and everything. And all the video editing I'll probably be doing on this. So yeah, I'm just going to be sitting here for a little bit on my phone, laptop, and spending some time while I can with my father before I have to go home another hour. So yeah, so I'll continue on with the video now. So now that the computer is out of the box, got it all set up, well, not really set up, but got the cords out, the laptop out, and now onto the next box. Had to scratch out all my information so you didn't know exactly where I lived, but yeah, so I got this online from I'm sure, as you can read, it says 6'4" Honda right there. And if you do know who that is, he is a famous YouTuber, motovlogger, that is also located in Canada. I've been watching him for a few years now and absolutely love his videos. And as I was mentioning earlier, that is to be on the go for school and kind of carry that to my classroom and everything in regards to putting it in this. So if none of you watch him, he posts videos all the time, and he has merch, which this is actually one of his merches, which is a backpack. I have one of his shirts. He also makes license plates and hats and all that cool stuff. What are you doing? Anyways, this is his backpack, so let's see. Second. So, just the overall backpack. I bought this backpack out of any other backpack because he is my favorite YouTuber online, and I just purchased a motorcycle recently. I'm sure, as you can see, there's my helmet there. But the reason why I bought this one specifically over any other backpack is, yes, because he is my favorite YouTuber, and also because it can hold your helmet for when you need to go in grocery stores, and it's kind of for multi-purpose use. And it is also waterproof, which is definitely a plus, so I don't get that wet. So this is what you would hook up to the back of it to hold your helmet in place, which is over there. And all these just kind of buckle in, and I will show you in a second what that looks like. So, backpack, got all the harness all in there for the helmet, so all you do is pretty much just take the backpack, do this on the bed, because it's a little bit easier. Take your helmet, slide it in, and clip it in. So you never need to really worry about losing your helmet because you got the harness here, which is always done by the clips here on the side anywhere you want. And you can always take this off if you need to. You just use it as a regular backpack. So anyways, it holds your helmet in place. It will not go anywhere. And yeah, so I think that's it for now. If I think of anything else, then I will keep you guys updated. If you enjoyed today's video, if you could comment, like, and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And